Hey everyone, it's Kendall with ES Solar. Today we are at this brand new, beautiful home build where we're installing 54 high-efficiency panels and 4 Tesla Powerwall 3s. At ES Solar, we help homeowners plan their solar and battery systems before the home is even built. When you plan your solar during construction, you get cleaner installs, better placement, and maximum production for decades. These 4 Tesla Powerwall batteries give this home incredible backup protection. Even during outages, the family will have reliable stored energy ready to power their entire home. We work directly with your builder to design the perfect solar system for your home. Your new home deserves clean, dependable energy, and installing during construction ensures you get the best performance possible. If you're building a home, let's plan your solar and backup battery system now, so you can move in with confidence and full energy independence. ES Solar is always here to power your home from the ground up.